In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show speaker notes in Google Slides on iPad or desktop. Speaker notes are your private prompts that help you remember key points without cluttering your slides. The easiest way to see them while presenting is to use Presenter View, which shows your current slide, the upcoming slide, and notes in a separate window that only you can see. Start by opening Google Slides in your browser. Once you're on the home page, head to the Recent Presentations area so you can quickly find what you've been working on. Click the presentation you want to present to open it in edit mode. At the top right of the screen, locate the slideshow button. Don't click it directly. Instead, look for the small drop-down arrow right beside it. That arrow reveals additional presenting options. Click the drop-down, then choose Presenter View. This opens a new window with your presenter controls and notes. If nothing appears, your browser may have blocked the pop-up. Allow pop-ups for Google Slides and try again. In Presenter View, you'll see your current slide, a preview of the next slide, a timer, and your speaker notes. If your notes look too small or too large, use the zoom controls in that window to adjust them to a comfortable size. If you don't see any notes at all, return to the Editing tab and type your talking points in the Notes area beneath the slide. Then switch back to Presenter View and they'll appear. While you present, your audience should only see the full screen slideshow, not your notes. If you're sharing your screen in a video meeting, share the window that shows just the slides, not the presenter controls. On a dual monitor setup, you can keep Presenter View on your laptop screen and send the full screen slideshow to the external display for your audience. On iPad, the layout looks a bit different, but the goal is the same. Present your slides while keeping your notes visible only to you. The Google Slides app provides a presenting mode that shows notes alongside your slide, and using the app generally works better than the mobile browser. Make sure your notes are added in the notes field beforehand so they appear when you start presenting. That's it. Open your deck, use the drop-down next to Slideshow, select Presenter View, and your speaker notes are ready when you are. With this setup, you can stay organized, maintain eye contact, and deliver a smoother presentation.